Okay, so you guys look at all this stuff. And so let's pretend that these are all different facts about me. So each of these objects tells you something about me. So if you put all these facts together, what does it tell you about me?
Guys,
I like to read books. What else?
everyone take, look at me.
Like stuffed animals.
Two.
And then do you know what this is from?
One step back that way. No one is to be playing with my computer.
Yeah.
This is just
You
for
like
my class, so my sister.
I do.
You know, I teach
You like
all
cheese.
of you.
I meant
You're all gonna be
macaroni
looking at me.
I
Okay?
love macaroni.
Me too. I do too.
Okay?
And you like washable markers. Is it like it's not markers? Is it like all? Oh, she likes washable markers.
So you're gonna put all these facts together. Can you guys make like one or two sentences that describe me from these objects?
Does anyone know what questioning is? Yeah. Like question words. Can someone tell me some question words that we have? How? That's a question word. It's on my board.
Okay, so it's all things that I like to do, right?
Maji?
Yeah.
Why?
I do it. I like the movie Despicable Me too. You guys see it?
I didn't see it.
You didn't see it?
I saw it.
All right. So we're gonna do almost the same thing with the book. So do you guys know the book, The Story of Ferdinand? Okay. Well, we're gonna work on the same thing we just did with all. It wasn't a one time. We're gonna work on the same thing we just did with the book this time. So everyone gets a stack of sticky notes.
Why are you leaving?
Alright, so today we're going to be reading a book called I Remember Papa. And it's by...
Okay, and you get 6 yellow ones and 1 green one. So throughout the book, we're going to stop. Okay. Throughout the book, we're going to stop 6 times, and you guys are going to write little facts down, kind of like the objects that I put out about me. Does anybody have one? Okay. And then, so those are all going to go on the yellow one. So don't write anything on the green one yet.
Like they're playing catch, that's right.
So you can put the green one
Any
aside.
questions maybe about what the book is like or...
Yellow one.
So put the green one right here.
Yeah, you don't need it.
What is that?
Yeah, like anyone have any questions? While looking at the book?
Who is that?
It is.
Who's that? Oh, I know. That's
Called I Remember Papa.
Jacoby.
Jacoby!
Jacoby. That's
There you go.
Alright guys, ready?
We should probably put that on our board, right?
So this book is called The Story of The Story of Ferdinand. Can anybody tell me who the author is by looking at the front cover?
Robert.
Why is it called?
Robert Lawson.
What does it say before Robert Lawson?
Drawing by.
Rowley says the author.
Yeah.
The drawing to the illustrator is Robert Lawson.
Because my granddad's name is Robert, so that's how I know that.
Okay, and by looking at the front cover, what do you think this book's going to be about?
A horse? I know a donkey. All about somebody.
Let everybody else guess so you don't
A strong donkey.
A strong donkey?
Donkey Kong.
What do you think without giving the whole book away?
Donkey Kong. He starts out little.
It's alright. Does it look like he likes to fight or look like he likes to
He likes to temporary.
smell flowers?
And he likes to work out.
Alright guys, we're going to start reading, okay?
When I was young, I got
Alright, the story of Ferdinand.
every weekend to help Papa
Once upon a time in Spain,
feed and water the horses.
there was a little bull and his name was Ferdinand.
Papa paid me a quarter, which I kept in the garbage.
All the other little bulls he lived with would run and jump and butt their heads together.
Papa for a dollar bill. He was a man of few words, but he always said, "Man,
But not
speaks
Ferdinand.
the character man."
Alright, so there's a post-it here, which means I want you guys to write a fact that you already know about Ferdinand on one of your yellow post-its.
When I read this page, I'm wondering, I wonder what he's saving up for. Should we put that question on the board? Do you think that's a good question to ask? Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know. D-O-E. I mean, D-S.
I was saving for a so you were really close when you were wondering, because you were using the pictures, which is a great thing, to see that he was
I'm from
running
Dallas,
a baseball
Texas.
or something to do with baseball. So he's actually saving for baseball.
From Dallas, Texas.
Alright, you guys have like 30 more seconds to write down.
Oh, I don't know.
Anything about Ferdinand that you know? After all, it's just a few pages we read.
He don't like the fight with the Bills.
You can write that down.
Bull, Bills.
One
mean
man
bull?
go to a game on but it seemed there was always too much work and too little money. Then one Saturday in midsummer, Papa woke me up early.
He's like medium.
It's still dark outside. Papa said, let's get dressed. Mom was fixing breakfast.
Alright, you guys almost done?
Yes.
Shivering.
Alright, if you're still writing, you can keep going, but we're going to move on to the next page.
Got this page?
Alright. He liked to just sit quietly and smell the flowers. Guys, if you're done writing, look at me, okay?
Yeah, and on the page he said it's still dark outside. Which
Alright, I'm
definitely
going to read the page again. He liked to sit just quietly and smell the flowers. Just put it right in front of you. Okay. He had a favorite spot out in the pasture under a cork tree. It was his favorite tree, and he would sit in the shade all day and smell the flowers. Sometimes his mother, who was a cow, would worry about him. She was afraid he would be lonesome all by himself.
What's that? The milk you squeeze out of. Oh, that's an otter.
Why don't you run and play with the other little bulls and skip and butt your head, she would say. But Ferdinand would shake his head. I like it better here where I can just sit quietly and smell the flowers.
one day we'll go, but it seems there is always too much work.
His mother saw that he was not lonesome, and because she was an understanding mother, even though she was a cow, she let him just sit there and be happy. Alright, another post-it, what does that mean?
What are you thinking?
Write another fact about what you know about Ferdinand. You can write it on your second post-it. Your other notebook.
Right back.
You write another fact you know so far about Ferdinand or about anything you wanted from the book.
Can you put this one in the back?
Yeah, you can just stick it right to the side.
What I'm thinking about, that's a good assumption, but what I'm thinking about is maybe what time did this take place in? Because I don't think if they're listening to the radio, their baseball games on the radio, that it's taking place now.
Right.
So maybe we can ask the question, when did this book take place? Does that make sense? Yeah.
I read Ferdinand when I was a kid.
That's all right. We'll keep reading, maybe. We'll have
It was easy. When I was in first grade, they were hard.
the
I thought cows and cows.
handwriting's not that good right now. Yeah, we can imagine maybe what, when, or
Alright guys, 10 more seconds to write down, then we'll start reading again.
maybe we'll figure some more out. Mama stirred coffee and sugar
Oh
into
my
my milk.
god.
I ate while she made sandwiches, happy day, paper
Alright, ready? If you're still writing, you can keep going, but I'm going to read the next page
Someone
now.
I asked?
Yay.
Mama looked at Papa and smiled.
As the years went by, Ferdinand grew and grew until he was very big and
We
strong.
best get going if we're going to
He's a lot
make the
bigger
train.
now, right?
I jumped up, almost knocking my chair over.
All the other bulls who had grown up with him in the same pasture would fight each other all day. They would butt each other and stick each other with their horns. What they wanted most of all was to be picked to fight at the bullfights in Madrid.
Wait, what are those?
They got
Really, you know, they're
yeah, when they got hurt from when they were fighting.
They could be, that's a good